Online safety tips. When you go online, it's important to remember a few rules to keep you safe. Be careful on friend requests. Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know. Never share personal information like your name, age, or address with anyone. Think before you post. Remember that when you post a photo or a message, it stays forever. Don't share anything private, offensive, or illegal. It stays forever, even if you delete it from your account. Choose strong passwords. Never use your name or date of birth or anything that hackers can guess from your social media posts. It's important to use a password that is a mix of numbers, letters, and special characters. Long passwords are a good idea because they are harder to guess. Be careful online. Share cyberkindness. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad or unhappy. Don't be afraid of cyberbullying. You are stronger if you use a kind language. Be careful what you click on. Don't click on links like "click here to win a prize." These are dangerous links sent by cybercriminals that want to ask you to share personal information. This is called phishing. Share positive content and stories. Let's make the internet a positive place.